guys, on today's giveaway, we're giving away these games right here. So these are digital prints, and then this one is an actual disc. Okay, that's the only disc that I got. It's the disc that I got with the bundle. So I'm giving this away. So this guy is with a code, that guy is with a code to download. They're full versions. They're just digital versions. That's why you guys get a code. So if you guys win, all I have to do is send you that code. But if you guys win this guy, then I have to send you the disc. Okay, either way, obviously you guys are gonna get this faster than this. But to apply, all you guys have to do is leave right here in the comments area saying exactly what you see on this screen right now. Besides that, obviously, you guys have to subscribe to the channel. Once you guys subscribe plus leave the comment, then you're automatically good to go. You guys can just wait, and then if you guys get a reply from me saying congrats, you won, then that means you actually won. And that would be it for this giveaway. So right now you guys could win this game, right? So that's God of War, or this guy, or even this guy. So in the comments area, don't forget to mention which game you guys want. So if you guys just want this guy, you guys just want this guy, or just this guy, let me know which one you guys would like to win and apply for that. And that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.